Morning, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be doing the head swap on my Austin Allegro. Now I've already done a fairly comprehensive video on how to do that. I'll put the link in the description below. It's a two-part, please check it out. I go into quite a bit of detail in those videos. I haven't got a lot of time, so I'd like to get as much as I can do done today if possible. So I'm just going to finish my tea in my Allegro mug and I'll crack on with the spanners. See you in a bit. So I'm just removing the rocker gear now, so we can get the cylinder head off. We're doing well. I'm going to be fitting new studs to the cylinder head for the thermostat housing, but obviously I've got to get the old housing off because we want to try and save that and reuse it if we can. So I'm going to take that apart next. I might have to get serious in a minute and apply some heat. I think it's only held on with the silicone that I used to seal it to the block, but I don't want to put any leverage on these pipes here because they're only alley and they're going to snap, and then you're in a world of pain. So we'll persevere with it. Yeah, I think we're just stuck on the stud now. Maybe just this one pry bar. Just tease it off. This will need to be thoroughly clean before it goes back on the new head. There we go. Right. There it goes. I think we're good to take the head off now. Previously I dropped the exhaust and removed the manifold first. I think today I'm going to be lazy, leave the exhaust in place and just lift it off this one. Obviously it's heavier, but it should just come off without a fight, fingers crossed. Right, so this is the handy tip, guys. If you're removing push rods from an engine, they need to go back in the way they came out. So get yourself an old bit of cardboard, make some holes 1 to 8, it's a 4-cylinder, and put the push rods in the order they came out. That's marked water pump, which is at the end of the block, so they have to go in the order they came out. So you want yourself a rag, remove number 1, give it a wipe, put it in the cardboard. I'm just going to do that quickly and then we can get on with removing the head. There we go. Right, before tea, because I'm going to have to charge the camera anyway, thought I'd just have another look. So obviously this head's been off in the last year. Let's sit it like that for a second. Look at this. Scraper. Build up of crud. Look at that. I think that's just from running lean. But I cleaned all these valves when the head was apart before, so that's not good. Hope it's not done no long-term damage, but oh, look at that, that's failed. Huh. Manifold, that's fine. Oh, camera. I might give that another lick of paint before I give it a clean up. Or rather, I'll give it a clean up and then a lick of paint. And then to the head gasket. Oh, I'm not expecting to see anything with this, but because this is fairly new, but let's have a quick look and give it a wipe off. I'll put the camera down. Right, get my brain specs on. Now, did the gasket fail? Well, I don't think so, but my main concern for removing this again was obviously it was burning oil, but we knew about that. But oil was seeping up through one of the up to the head studs, which is not good. You don't want that. That's not normal. Yeah. Must admit, I prefer copper head gaskets, which is what I'm going to be fitting when I put it back together. Yeah. Well, there's no apparent signs of anything, but anyway, I can go in the I'll put a wall mat that so there's a memento when they lasted the head gasket. Right, cup of tea time, and then I've got to clean up the things that I removed, like the thermostat housing, and it's just a question of bolting it all back together. Fun and games. Right, well, things have moved on. Head gasket's in place. I've also put the carbon axle stands just to drop the exhaust, just to make it easy to refit. I've got the new cylinder head here, which is heavy, new manifold studs, and thermostat housing attached. Right, let's put this back together. And you want to go there. Right, something's not quite right. The hole for the centre stud at the front here doesn't appear to be big enough. So I'm going to put a wire brush through it and see if I can clean it out. Which means taking the head off again. Not really what I wanted it to do, but right, cylinder head is on. I just had to clear out this centre channel here. I think there was a bit of corrosion. The stuff now on there, I can tell it's nipped up tight. So I'm just going to start getting this back together, put the push rod back in, and then we can start connecting things back up. Right. Now it's the bit I really don't enjoy, doing the exhaust. But we're getting there. Oh dear, what a day. But I've just got on with it and put it back together, so we're now ready for a test fire. So fingers crossed, should be good to go. Straight off the button! That's so reassuring! Woo! Lovely. Just got to let it get up to temperature, then I'll check the cooling level and the oil level. Right, the car is back together. Sorry I didn't get the end of the film, but the battery died, so I didn't get a chance to film it. I've been for a test drive, seems to be fine, touch wood. So I'll recheck the levels in the morning and we'll just go from there really. Again, the whole reason I did this was the cylinder head was questionable. It was smoking on start-up first thing in the morning. I did do a compression test, but that didn't come to anything. So I think it was the valve stem oil seals, or possibly a sticking valve. Whether I've cured that remains to be seen. Fingers crossed. I'll recheck it in the morning. Just hope for the best really, because I can't think what else it would be. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I'm knackered. I'm just going to do it now and start editing up the first part of this video. And thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It really helps the channel out. I shall see you very soon. Allegro.